Hey everyone, welcome back to our another one-on-one live session. Hi, I'm Sakshi Chaudhary from Team Shakti. जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, शक्ति इज़ एन इनिशिएटिव टू स्प्रेड पॉजिटिविटी थ्रू वीडियोस, लाइव सेशंस एंड कोट्स. सो आज की हमारे इस लाइव सेशन की स्पेशल गेस्ट है जयश्री खारा. शी इज़ एन एक्टर, writer and an influencer. Today she will be here with us to share her journey, experiences and spread positivity. So let's welcome our guest Jayashri Khara.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
And I'm great.
So pleased to see you.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, firstly, thank you so much for accepting our invitation and being a part of our live session.
I'm honored.
So, ma'am, as you know, our channel, Shakti, is about spreading positivity. So, why don't you share one of your positive experiences that happened with you?
Mm, well, life is full of positivity and negativity. So without negativity, positivity is nothing. So I'm facing everything right now. I don't know. It's kind of a mixture. I don't know what is positive and negative. Like, it's a great struggle. Let me start from the very beginning. I belong to quite a good family, a standard family.
Hmm.
And my mother used to work, and my papa used to work. I have both working parents, and
Hmm.
I lost my mother when I was too young. So I was raised by my aunt, Bobby Mondal,
Hmm.
and my grandmother. So my papa got transferred to North India, and I used to stay without my parents in my childhood. Yet
Hmm.
he cared for my education. He used to send all the money and all. I never got the love from my parents that I always craved for. But obviously, my aunt, my grandmother, they loved me a lot, and they're my only companion. So I studied in St. Thomas Church School. Then I got transferred to Ratnakar North Point. Then my family wanted me to become a doctor. So I appeared for joint entrance exam. But the thing is that I passed the exam, but I chose another path, that is zoology honors. So ultimately, I always wanted to be a writer, filmmaker, and actress. I never shared this thought with them. I kept it within myself. So I secretly continued writing things, writing stories, and all. So one day I published my story and it got a huge views regarding that. So my aunt, my father, they decided that they will invest in my movies. They will turn my stories into movies, because still in this era we have people who don't want to read stories. They want to see what's
Hmm.
happening, right? So they told me that you should reach more people via entertainment industry. So with that, I stepped into this film industry. My aunt was a theater artist and actress since her childhood, so I got some help from her. Then I started making films. I started directing. I started doing some small acting alongside. Then, with my aunt's help, I'm trying to grow. I'm struggling right now. I'm still a struggler. I'm trying to grow. I don't know, with all your blessings and love. Let's see where I will reach. But the positive thing is that I have a beautiful family who really supports me a lot. I won't say that my friends are all very supportive. I have a very bad friend circle. You have no idea. So, to gather some energy, to gather some positivity, the first thing I did was to erase all the friendship from some people. I lost all the friendship. I started to stay alone. I became an introvert. And trust me, I'm enjoying this.
Ma'am, that's a beautiful journey. You have reached so far and you will reach a lot. You have
Thank you.
achieved a lot in your life till now and you will go far too.
Thank
And
you.
it's very great, how real you were while you were talking. So I could actually feel what you were saying. So that's very nice.
Yes. Now, actually, all I need is the support, some mental support. Like,
Yeah.
there are people in every industry, they want very fast success. Like,
Hmm.
I just came here and I want to be successful within 24 hours. These things doesn't happen so fast, right? All we have to do is that we should wait, we should work hard. And people nowadays aren't working so hard to get all the success. And when I post some of my bold pics or normal pics on Instagram, people keep on abusing me. They use vulgar words about me. I don't know, there are some people who just mistake art with vulgarity. And my parents, my family is very supportive. There are some people in my neighborhood, in my locality, who came to my parents to say that your daughter is posting this kind of pic. And they're like, yeah, we know. She did the photo shoot in front of us only. We gave her the permission. So they're like, how could you? I mean,
Hmm.
everyone is looking. And they're like, whatever she's doing on screen, nothing off screen. So we should support her. So, like this, I'm getting all the positive energy. Like, you don't have to care about anyone until and unless your parents are with you. Your parents are your
True.
biggest support, your biggest positivity, and of course, it is.
You did mention about trolling, that people troll you or, put mean comments while, on your pictures or your posts. So how do you deal with that?
No, I used to feel very bad in the beginning. Like
Beginning, yeah.
everyone, my friends used to call me names, and they came to me like, Jayashree, see, this page has posted this kind of pics of yours. I used to check, I used to complain to several people, but nothing actually happened. It increased.
Hmm.
Then I noticed that these people cannot do any harm to me beyond internet. They are nothing beyond this phone or
Yeah.
internet world. So it's okay. Let them do it. It's like they're promoting me, be it positive or negative. At least I'm in their conversation. They're at least talking about me. Fine. Promoting is about me is great. And if anyone comes to me like, Jaya, this person has talked rubbish about you, I ask them that what you did to defend me. Did you protest
Hmm.
it that Jaya is not like this? I always blame that particular friend who has come to me. Means what kind of
Hmm.
audacity those person got in front of my friend? Why they trolled about me in front of my friend? What is his or her reaction? So I dealt with this. I became numb whenever people slanked me. I smile and I'm like, come on, give out. I mean, bring out your frustration. I want to see what do you have, how much you are lacking, how much you have inside you. Bring it on. I want
Hmm.
to see. Ultimately, they stop.
That was a very great point. वैसे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स होते जाके बोलते हैं कि वो तेरे बारे में ऐसा बोला, तुम क्या थी मेरे को डिफेंड करने के लिए?
मैं
That's
बोल रही हूँ
actually.
सब लड़कों को बोल रही हूँ, अपने फैमिली के अलावा, मम्मी पापा के अलावा किसी को ट्रस्ट मत कीजिए. No external relatives, no friends, no anyone. There are always exceptional, there are always good friends, but still, we should be very selective while selecting any outer person, right?
Yeah. मैम, आपका वो पहला राइटिंग जो आपने पब्लिश किया था, जो आपके पेरेंट्स ने देखा भी था, व्हाट वाज दैट अबाउट? यू वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दैट?
Yeah, of course. It was about a family thriller. Like everyone was busy doing thriller, murder, everything like that, bold and all. So I wrote a story about family thriller. So my father published it in their bank magazine, in his bank magazine. So it became quite famous. So it came in a newspaper, sorry, in a magazine, normal newspaper magazine. So everyone read it. People wanted to buy that story from me, buy that concept from me. So my father said that no need to sell your concept. We will invest on it to make a movie. And so they did. It's about a family
व्हाट वाज द
thriller.
नेम ऑफ द फर्स्ट मूवी?
Hmm? Mukhoshin
व्हाट वाज
Arale.
द नेम ऑफ द फर्स्ट?
Mukhoshin Arale.
ओके.
Actually, it's a Bengali movie.
या. Ma'am, when you're writing a story, how do you select the character's name?
Basically, first of all, I write the story. Then, like, we think a lot about the title. The title has to be very catchy.
Yeah.
It has to match the situation of the story. And so we pick up random things. Like, suppose I have a phone. A story is related to the phone. What is the function of
Hmm.
the phone? Is to connect people. The story is related to connecting people. Like light, it brings hope. It illuminates things. The story's name is Light. The thing is like fan of Shah Rukh Khan and tube light of Salman Khan.
Yeah. Okay. Ma'am, what you are an actor. You started doing side roles, and now you have reached. Have you ever done any main role in any of the movies? In your movies or
Yeah, basically I started as a child actress when I was very young, along with my aunt. She brought me in this industry. Then, due to my education pressure, I stopped the acting in the beginning. Then again, I started. I started with doing side character. Then I came to the main role. I did three
Mhm.
main roles in three different movies. It will release soon, as soon as possible. I'll send you the link.
Okay, sure, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, what's the best and worst part about you? What's the best and worst part about acting for you?
Best
When
part
you
is
do
that
the shoot.
best part is that I try to bring the originality in my acting, and the worst part is that this is not always possible. Like if you're bound within the script, if you have to follow the rules of the script, you can't bring all the positivity. Everyone say that work according to the script. There is a script, but since we have an institution, Inomania Motion Pictures, my aunt teaches people that read the script, understand the concept, and do what your heart desires. We will change it later on if it fits fine.
Yeah.
So this is both the positive and negative point.
Did you ever take up acting classes?
Did you ever?
Take up acting classes.
Yeah, my aunt teaches me. Aunt is my teacher.
Okay.
She has learned from Oriental Academy, so it's a very good place.
Okay. So, how long have when did you started learning acting?
From the very childhood, I told you I worked as a child actress in several serials.
Yeah.
Then from 2017, I started again. I used to do classes offline, I mean off camera with aunt. I used to attend several places, events. I used to dance well, by the way. I was a dancer, so I did lots of
Okay.
stage performance and all. So from that, I came to this place.
What is the message that you want to give the young aspiring actors out there?
This is a very good question. The best advice I can give is that take your time, be choosy with your script. You don't have to be hurry. One day the sun will shine on you. The sun will shine on all of us. Don't be hurry. If you have talent, you'll get the chance. Without talent, you will get the chance, but not in a positive way, right? Be
Yeah.
selective with the script. Whatever you're doing, don't put any negative impact on the society, and don't ever, this is the main point, don't ever try to be a typecast actress. Try everything. And
So
obviously,
don't stick to just one role.
yeah, try everything.
Yeah.
Oh, someone is commenting, by the way, dance karke batao na please. Oh, of course, I'll post my dance video on my page.
Yeah, if you have, I also thought that you dance, but yeah, I didn't saw a single dance video on your IGT profile or on Instagram. So you should post dance videos too.
Yeah, I have one.
People
I will
love to see
post.
that.
Sure, I will post.
Yeah. Did you up dance classes? I didn't think that dance is original to you.
नहीं नहीं, मैं जाती थी, मैं श्री अर्नब बैनर्जी के पास डांस करती थी.
Okay.
Then I left.
You know, ma'am, जैसे आपने मेंशन किया ट्यूबलाइट और शाहरुख खान का सर की फैन, तो आर यू अ मूवी बफ? डू यू वॉच बॉलीवुड मूवीज?
Yeah, I do.
आर यू फैन ऑफ बॉलीवुड मूवी?
अच्छा लगता है.
ओके, तो नाउ लेट्स सी आपको कितना अच्छा लगता है. ओके, वी विल प्ले अ गेम. द
Okay.
गेम नेम इज 5 seconds memory.
Okay.
इसमें बेसिकली आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू द प्लॉट ऑफ द मूवी, बॉलीवुड मूवी, and you have to guess the movie, and I will not mention the character name or the actors who have played the movie, and you have to guess the movie.
Okay. So, do you have any gift
Okay?
hamper regarding to that?
Only
Oh,
my blessings and wishes for your movies. The upcoming movies. के लिए best wishes.
that's all I want.
And the audience who are watching this video, अगर आपको पहले समझ में आ जाएगा मैम से, तो please do comment. Okay? Ma'am, and these are kind of like badly explained. Okay, so you have to guess that movie name. Okay?
Okay, I will try
I
my
just think
best.
about it. Okay, the first one is man steals his own wife.
Okay.
Man steals his own wife.
Man steals his own wife. Man steals his own wife. कौन सा है?
Do you want a hint?
Yes.
शाहरुख खान की मूवी है ये.
शाहरुख खान मूवी. शाहरुख खान की मूवी तो सब कुछ देखी हुई है. कौन सा है? Man steals his own wife.
I'm sure you have seen this movie.
Hmm?
I'm sure you have seen this movie.
सच में याद नहीं आ रहा कौन सा होगा. Man steals his own wife. डर नहीं. नॉट डर. नॉट बाजीगर. नॉट बादशाह.
Anyone in the audience, if you know the movie, please do comment.
Dear audiences, please help me. A man steals his wife. Audiences, please help me. Please help me. See, nobody knows the answer.
Okay, I will give you another hint. Okay,
Okay.
the actor is Shahrukh Khan. I already said. The actress is Anushka Sharma.
वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको? रब ने बना दी जोड़ी.
Yeah.
इसमें स्टील कहाँ किया है?
इसमें अरे वो उसका बॉयफ्रेंड, उसका एक्स मैरिज अफेयर होता है ना, उसके
हाँ वही
उसी के
तो.
साथ होता है. तो he steals his own wife. You
That
have
was a
to
tricky
think a little
one.
in this
That was a tricky
time.
one.
Okay. The second movie is एक ऐसी movie that after years, when the nerd turns hot, the fuckboy falls in love with.
इमरान हाशमी का मूवी है.
No.
गुड बॉय बैड बॉय था ऐसा मूवी. Okay,
नहीं.
fine.
After years, when the nerd turns hot, the
Okay.
fuckboy falls in love with her.
ये जवानी है दीवानी.
Yeah. 1 point. Okay. The next one is a movie where fetus kicks on command.
Where?
Fetus kicks on command.
Where what?
Fetus, Fetus, fetus
Fetus sticks.
kicks on command.
Fetus sticks on command. बच्चे कमांड लेते. Okay, fine.
बच्चे kick कर रहे हैं on command. And it's a fetus, मतलब पेट के अंदर होती है.
वही तो. Fetus kicks on command. Three Idiots.
Yeah.
All is well.
Yeah. 2 points. That's, you're doing great. वो पहला movie में लगता है उसको face मारने में, but it was nice. Okay. The next movie is ऐसी movie where the daddy was the gold digger. He only wanted gold.
Where the diary.
Daddy was the gold digger. He only wanted gold.
ऐसे तो बहुत सारे मूवीज है.
नहीं, the daddy was the gold digger.
Entertainment. Okay. Daddy was the gold digger.
Gold.
Gold digger. Daddy was the gold digger. Sona.
Who only wanted gold. उनको सिर्फ सोना चाहिए था.
याद आ रहे मुझे, पेट में आ रहे, मुंह में नहीं आ रहे. अरे. Hint.
Okay. He only wanted gold, not bronze, silver, only gold. That
Dangal.
was the hint. Okay. You're doing pretty great at this, ma'am. You are actually a movie buff. Okay. The next one is a movie which says, if we get our heart broken, make music. A movie which says, if we get our heart broken, make music.
ऐ दिल है मुश्किल.
No. That's actually kind of right, but no, that's not the answer.
हर्ट बुकेट से म्यूजिक बनता है. ओके. म्यूजिकल मूवी. वही तो याद आ रहा है, दिल है मुश्किल.
Do you want a hint? ए दिल है मुश्किल का जो एक्टर है वो भी इस मूवी में थी.
रॉकस्टार.
हार्ट ब्रोकन से तो रॉकस्टार ही याद आता है. Okay, the next movie is a movie about an Indian Muslim in America who needs to prove his identity.
Indian Muslim in America who needs to prove
Who
his
needs to
identity.
prove his identity.
Indian Muslim in America who needs
America.
pass.
My name is Khan.
Oh, of course. Hey, by the way, I haven't watched that movie yet, unfortunately.
Still, it's okay. 3 points are doing great. The next one is a movie जहाँ पे दो लोग दूसरों की वेडिंग प्लान करते करते खुद की वेडिंग प्लान करने लग गए.
वही तो. वो क्या होता है वो मूवी? अनुष्का शर्मा और रणवीर सिंह. क्या नाम है?
Nice.
Abby लुट गया.
Okay. Now I know that you know the movie, but I need the name.
अरे क्या था? अरे बोलो ना. I laughed at some scenes very badly. Give me some hint at least first part.
Movie name starts from B. B से start होता है movie का name.
बैंड बाजा भारत. Oh, thank you.
Okay,
See,
4
meet my
points.
Rocky.
Nice. ये कौन सा breed का है?
Rocky. ये है Spitz, German Spitz.
Okay. How long he has been with you? How long he has been with you?
Yeah. He is actually 7 years old.
7 years old.
Say hi.
Do you have any other pet?
Yeah?
Do you have any other pet?
Yes, I have bird, I have fishes, I have pigeons, I have some street dogs.
Okay.
I'm a pet person.
Yeah, I did get that. Do you want to share any other story with your pet Rocky that happened with you? Any incident, fun incident you want to share that happened with Rocky?
Well, he loves traveling. He loves long drive. He loves scaring people. He loves stealing food from people. He loves sea beach. He used to get very dirty in the sea beach. He used to run behind people and scare them. And what else? He's a very fun-loving and active dog. Till now, he never visited a vet except for vaccine.
Okay, that's good.
Yes. And he's our apple of the eye.
All pets are. He is the first dog or you had any
No.
dog before me.
Yeah, I had 3 to 4 dogs before, one at a time.
Yeah. Okay, the next movie is a movie where a guy doesn't believe in love stories and a girl who is in love with the idea of love itself.
A guy doesn't believe in love story.
Of stories. And a girl who is in love with the idea of love itself.
सुना सुना लग रहा है, सुना सुना लग रहा है. Uh, वो बचना है हसीनो.
नहीं.
लेडीज वर्सेस ना ना वो भी नहीं. um, ये लड़का पागल है, लड़की ठीक ठाक है. ओके. Dear audiences, please help me.
Okay, I will repeat the question once again. A movie where a guy doesn't believe in love stories and a girl who is in love with the idea of love itself.
I hate love stories.
That's good, good. Okay, the last movie is a movie in which two suicidal strangers who meet and make a pact to commit suicide in 20 days on New Year's Eve end up falling in love.
Mm, वो सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का रिसेंट जो मूवी आया वो
नहीं.
सुसाइडल है. वो न्यू ईयर ईव में प्यार में आ गया.
They made a pact that they will, suicide together after 20 days, but they end up falling in love.
I don't think I have watched this movie.
Anjana Anjani.
Oh, I didn't.
But okay, I will give you one last one because you have to pata nahi tha. The last one is a movie where mistaken identity leads to love. A man and his family plans a great scheme to win over the hearts of women and a greedy uncle.
A movie?
Where mistaken identity leads to love. A man and his family plans a great scheme to win over the hearts of women and a greedy uncle.
Women of a greedy uncle.
She and her greedy uncle. Woman and her greedy uncle.
झिंका 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 सलमान खान मूवी.
Yeah.
वो झिंका झिंका वाला है ना. क्या नाम था उसका. क्या नाम था उसका. नहीं ऐसे नॉनसेंस स्टोरी उनका ही मूवी होता है.
I'm really ready to hear the movie name. Just say.
अरे बोलो ना. नहीं झिंका 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 झिंका. क्या. रेडी रेडी रेडी.
I didn't mention ready, okay? I thought you will get that line. I said I'm ready to hear the name.
Nice one.
Okay, nice. You did a pretty good job in this.
No, I enjoyed it. I enjoyed this game.
Okay. Do you want to play another game?
Another? Okay.
This is like a would you rather game, okay? I will ask you two hypothetical situations about makeup and your fashion styles, and you have to answer. You have to choose one, okay?
Okay.
The first one is, would you rather, for the rest of your life, wear only jeans, even at gym, or only leggings, including while attending more formal events?
Only first one is?
Only jeans, even while you are at a gym, or only leggings, even when you are attending a more formal event? So
Leggings.
jeans or leggings?
Leggings.
Okay. The next one is, would you rather magically never have to shave again or never get grey hair?
Never get?
Shave or grey? Magically never shave again or never get grey hair?
Magically never have to shave again. My goodness, I'm so hairy.
Theory of everyone's life. Okay. The next one is, would you rather only wear skirts or pants to work?
Pant.
Okay. Would you rather wear foundation that's too light or that's too dark to your skin tone? Too light
Mm,
or too dark?
let it be too dark.
Would you rather wear leather jacket or denim jacket every day?
Denim jacket.
Would you rather wear only earrings or only necklaces when accessorizing?
When?
Accessorizing. Would you rather wear only earrings or only necklaces?
Only earrings.
Would you rather wear only rings or only bracelets?
Bracelet.
Shop more and pay less or shop less and live more?
Shop more and shop more and live less.
Okay. The next one is have a good hair day every single day for the rest of your life or have perfect brows for the rest of your life. Have good perfect hair or perfect brows for the rest of your life.
Perfect hair.
बाल ठीक हो तो सब कुछ ठीक लगता है.
हाँ.
The next one is have your eyeliner never match or eyebrows never match.
Eyebrows never.
Match. You know when you're making your eyebrows, would you rather have your eyebrows never match or eyeliner never match?
Oh, my eyebrows match, but my eyeliner never matches.
Let it be.
Let it be.
Ma'am,
I'll go for the eyeliner thing.
you eyeliner thing. Ma'am, you are an entrepreneur. You have started your own business. You are the owner of Paridhan shop, if I'm not
Yes.
wrong. So when did you started it?
I started Paridhan actively on November, and
Last year.
recently, yeah, last November, actively in the lockdown.
Okay.
Before that, we used
Okay.
to do offline and all. So, along with Paridhan, I am doing one more thing, which I will reveal very soon. That we are opening an OTT platform, and we are buying movies.
You are?
We are opening an OTT platform, and we will buy
Yes.
movies
Okay.
for all of you to watch. We will buy those movies which are unsold, like directors or
Hmm.
filmmakers are yet to sell or they're not getting proper prices. We will buy from them. We will, premiere their movies on our website. We will advertise
And you
those.
put them out for the public. Yeah.
Yeah, like MX Player and all.
Yeah. All the best for that new venture, ma'am.
Thank
You
you.
know.
Let's see. We are
So
just planning.
I really hope that do actually execute it and it does well.
No, we have actually bought all the domains and all. We are working on the website.
Okay.
The website has been made already. There's some issues. My team is working on that. Let's see.
Okay. Yeah. All the best for that.
Thank you.
So why did you started Paridhan?
Paridhan, it was like my side business. Like this movie business, you can't be sure. Suppose ये लॉकडाउन में पूरा काम ही नहीं हुआ मूवी बिजनेस में,
Hmm.
देखा कितना लॉस हुआ, लेकिन हमारा इनकम हुआ या फिर गेन हुआ परिधान से. People bought things online. So we have to always keep something as a side business. We cannot completely rely on movie business. These are like a game of gambling,
Hmm.
but not Paridhan.
That's like a secure thing for the
Exactly.
future.
That's a secure thing.
Okay. Ma'am, you are so popular now. You have reached a great fan base.
Hmm.
People really like you. So, is there any fan encounter that happened with you that you want to share? Yeah.
Uh, there are a lot actually. I have a hobby. Like we feed near about 40 dogs per day on the street. And there are many
Okay.
people who follow me on Instagram in my neighborhood.
Hmm.
They used to come here, they used to click our pics, they used to post, they used to take selfies with us. Sometimes I feel very comfortable because I don't want people to take my selfies without my makeup and mask on. But it's fine that people can recognize us. Like if you come to my
Yeah.
locality and ask Jayashree Khana and Bobby Mondal who feeds dog every day, Every blind people will show you my home.
Hmm.
So this is a very memorable thing. Like I met my fan recently. Fan app एक ऐप था, वहाँ से मुझे
Okay.
बुलाया गया था कि you should open an account. You should do some public service, paid public service. Like they will pay me for their goodness. So I said I don't want to do any vulgar things. Like I will give them mental therapy, mental support like this. I will
Mm-hmm.
visit charitable events and all, but I won't promote anything vulgar or wrong things. So they were like, no, you should do it. You should sell your pics. I was like, why? I don't have to. Then I helped some people. They told me about their problems. Of course, they paid me. Mm, they got some help with all my sources. I helped them getting a hospital bed, helping a COVID patient. So all those I did. Still, people abused me because of that. That these are social work. You can take money for this. I said that fine. I won't. I deleted my account from Fan app, and then I'm still continuing all this without any money, without claiming any money.
Do you want to share any of the other social work that you have done?
Yes. Basically, we generally distribute masks occasionally. Last year, we have distributed lots of masks every month. So now we're running out of money. Uh, Actually, I'm also fundraising for some charitable event, and I'm donating all those money to those clubs who have great athletes but can't afford to train them. We're doing that in association with Lions Club and Rotary Club and Hello Kolkata Ashish Bashak. We're also fundraising to give those for the welfare of some special children who have talents, but they are lacking to get that attention from people. People are actually misunderstanding them that they can't do anything because they are special child, but actually not. They're special because they have the talent, and we have all this, we have all the abilities, but we are still not doing because we have that क्या पता है, वो घमंड है हम में. We have that pride, and
So
we
proud
misuse
that.
that. We misuse that, but they don't. So I did some campaigning about that. Mm.
Hmm.
Then I visit several occasions where people, they want to start a new business and they need some idea, like what they should do. I give them some sources, like you should invest over there. If you don't want to invest, you should get your things from there. They will give it as a loan. When you'll get all the materials and returns, we'll return the money to
Like
them.
a consultant.
Hmm?
Like a consultant.
Yeah, I worked as a consultant before. Then I found out that some people are misusing that thing. Now I give consultation to those people who are actually into something, who actually want to
Okay.
do something. So ऐसे ही करती रहती हूँ. वो भी फेसबुक में पोस्ट किया तो लोग फिर भी मुझे गाली देने लगे. आई वॉज लाइक ये इतना गाली की डिक्शनरी आ कहाँ से रहा है यार. कुछ भी करो, मैं छींकू फिर भी गाली. क्या अजीब है, लोग गलतियां पकड़ते ही रहते हैं. कुत्ता खिलाती हूँ, रोड में कुत्ते को लेके खेलती हूँ, मजे करती हूँ. नहीं ये क्यों करती हो, कितना गंदी है, शी इज सो डर्टी एंड ऑल. व्हाई? अजीब पागल है सब.
मैम कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. Whatever you do,
नहीं
it's impossible that everyone will be happy. Some
नहीं
people will always be unhappy.
नहीं, पहले
This
बहुत
is
बुरा लगता था, पहले बहुत बुरा लगता था इन द बिगिनिंग. देन देखा कि ये तो सब बोलते ही रहेंगे, क्या बोलो. मेरे कुत्तों से ज्यादा भोगते हैं इन लोग.
ma'am, what inspires you to every day to get up and work?
These people. I wake
That
up,
was a great answer.
I see my comment box. No, I need to work.
Ma'am, are you writing? Are you working on writing something right now?
Yes, I'm working on a very nice project, by the way. It's kind of a web series. But my
Okay.
aunt is asking me to make a movie out of that.
Hmm.
It's a horror scientific project, and it's quite difficult, by
This
the
is
way.
also Bengali.
Um, the main mother language will be Bengali, but it will be dubbed in other languages as well.
Okay.
This will be a
How many
very big
movies?
budget movies.
Ma'am, repeat.
This will be a very big budget movie.
Okay. So when are you planning to publish that story?
Actually, not everything is normal yet. So
Hmm.
let me finish this script. I have to wait for the normalization.
Yeah. Ma'am, what does a typical day look like for you? You know,
Typical?
day look like for you?
Um, typical day. Eat, sleep, YouTube.
Repeat. I don't know why I asked this to me. I thought you would say repeat.
No, I will never. Eat, sleep, YouTube, Netflix. Chill.
Okay. Well, right now, but when you're working,
Oh, when I'm working, actually, when I work, I forget about eating. I forget about
hmm,
sleeping. The worst thing is that I have a very worse eating habit. Like, I eat very less, and due to my,
hmm,
I used to maintain a proper diet plan few years ago. Now, due to my work pressure, I stopped maintaining my diet planning and timing. So, my diabetes increased. So, I am being diagnosed with diabetes.
hmm.
So, I'm facing lots of problems regarding to this. I don't know what will happen. Doctor
You
told.
will,
Hmm?
Dr. told.
Doctor told me to eat in a proper time to get a good
Hmm.
sleep because due to diabetes and lack of sleeping, I'm getting gastric problems as well. So doctors are
Okay.
my new friends now.
You will fight that too. You have to correct your eating schedule, and I know you will do it.
Let's see.
Ma'am, being an actor, what's the best role that you have ever played?
Being an actor, what's the best role? It is yet to be played. Coming soon.
Okay, the next movie that is coming,
Yes.
you said. Okay, can you just give the hint, like, वो character का कैसा है, like, some
Mm,
hints about the character.
scientific
What's the
movie
character
है.
name?
Scientific movie
The
है.
character.
कैरेक्टर ही बता रही हूँ मेरा जो कैरेक्टर है इट्स अबाउट अ कॉलेज स्टूडेंट who will
Okay.
get affected by the effect of the wrong laboratory experiment, and she will
Okay.
face all the hardships. The way she will survive, the way she will retain her all the pain and all.
Hmm.
I have a hero,
That's
by
the
the way.
story.
Yeah, I have a hero, by the way. He will also help me.
This movie is in Bengali.
I told you in Bengali and dubbing in other languages as well.
Okay. Ma'am, is there any last message that you want to say to our audience?
Is that what?
Any last message that you want to say to our audience?
Last message. Well, there's nothing lasts. So stay safe. This time is very crucial for everyone. I know there is no such thing as lockdown right now in India, except for few states. So still, safety is in your hand. Don't rely on government. Rely on yourself. Take your vaccine. I haven't taken my vaccine yet. I hope you have taken your vaccine, Shakti.
Ma'am, I'm not 18 plus.
Okay, take your vaccine. Take all the precaution. Don't rely on the government. They're not actually doing anything. Precisely. Mm, what to say? Safety first.
Yeah,
Stay well.
true.
Think positive. Slang less. Try to support people. Try to know that people. Try to know what they're going through before commenting about them.
Hmm. People on the internet need to be more empathetic, Start
Exactly.
to, yeah,
They will
on a
say
good
what they
note,
have to say. They will say what they
Yeah,
have to say. They don't know what they're saying. No, it's okay. We have to come out of this. If you want to
we
be a
have to
public figure, you have to tolerate
we
all
have
these.
to stay strong, and people, also in this negative situation, in this pandemic, please stay strong, stay safe, stay happy. And
Of
thank you so
course.
much for coming to our live session, ma'am. It
Thank you
was an
so
honor to
much.
have you on our platform. It was an amazing session and a pleasure to have you.
Say tata to Rocky.
Bye, Rocky. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
But to end.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching our live session. If you like this session, please do like it, and please like, share, follow us on all social media platforms. If you will support us, then only we will be able to achieve what we want. That is to spread positivity all around us. So please, guys, हमें support कीजिएगा. And stay tuned for what's coming next, because ऐसे ही हम लोग different लोगों को अपने प्लेटफॉर्म में बुला के लेके आएंगे और उनकी स्टोरीज के बारे में, उनकी जर्नी के बारे में जानेंगे. So stay tuned. Until then, bye.